Want to ask your friends or followers a fun question? Creating a Facebook poll is the perfect way to get their opinions. Let me show you how it's done. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a poll on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Polls can be created in groups, pages, or events. Navigate to the place where you want to create the poll. Here, I'm going to create a poll in a group that I've joined. Now tap on the text box that says write something. From the list of options below the post, select poll. Now type in your poll question at the top. Below it, you see spaces to add options for people to choose from. For example, if you're asking about pizza, your options should be pepperoni or cheese. Here you can decide whether to allow members to add options or allow people to choose multiple options. After you're done, tap on the Done option in the top right corner. Now you'll have to ask the question. Once everything looks good, hit Post to share your poll. Your friends, group members, or followers can now start voting. And that's it, you've just created a poll on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated for our new videos.